Aloha my friends, welcome back to Every Beach in Hawaii. In this episode, I headed up to the famous north shore of Oahu to the wonderful small town of Hale'iwa. Famous for its laid-back vibe and world-class surf, Haleiwa is a must-see if you have not been to the north shore before. We'll be exploring Haleiwa Beach Park, the Boar Harbor, Maeaea, Pua'ena Beach Park, and Hale'iwa Beach. Haleiwa has a rich history rooted in its plantation past. It emerged as a sugarcane and pineapple hub in the early 1900s. The town's name translates to House of the Frigate Bird. Iwa in Hawaiian lore can be seen as an omen of bad luck or a stormy weather approaching, which is what happened to me when I was headed out of the town, even though I didn't even see any. For some history, businessman Benjamin Dillingham built a hotel named Haleiwa, turning the area into a retreat for visitors and sugarcane workers traveling by train from Honolulu. Later demolished and now houses the restaurant Haleiwa Joe since 1998. Over time, the town evolved into a hub for surfers and now embraces the status as the gateway to Oahu's famous North Shore. During World War II, Haleiwa had strategic importance due to its airfields. During the attack on Pearl Harbor, 2 U.S. Army Air Corps fighter pilots from Haleiwa Field managed to shoot down 7 Japanese planes, showcasing the town's role in defense efforts. Haleiwa Beach Park is a perfect family-friendly spot. The beach isn't super wide, but sand here is soft and layered in different colors, while the water is calm, making it great for swimming and paddleboarding. The North Shore War Memorial stands at this park, honoring those who lost their lives in World War II, as well as the Korean and Vietnam Wars. The 4th of July fireworks are awesome, and tucked up in the corner is Pua'ena Beach Park, or Maeaea Beach, which is a popular spot for beginner surfing lessons and excellent for snorkeling. The Haleiwa Boat Harbor is home to local fishermen and is where you'll meet to embark on fishing charters, whale watching tours, or even shark cage diving adventures. Next to the harbor, join the locals that jump off the Rainbow Bridge. The Oahu River that passes under the bridge is Oahu's longest stream, flowing 20 miles from the Ko'olau Mountains to the ocean. Characterized by picturesque double arches, it stands as one of Hawaii's oldest bridges, where activities like paddleboarding and kayaking can be enjoyed in relative solitude. Hale'iwa Beach is a popular beach in Haleiwa, renowned for its surf competitions during the winter months, and if you're visiting in the summer, the calmer waves make it ideal for snorkeling. The sand to me was basically like brown sugar with some seashells, and I even found a green sea turtle taking a rest. After a day at the beach, stroll through the historic town to explore shops and art galleries. While known for surfing, Haleiwa is also a hub for local artists. The town hosts numerous galleries. If you're hungry, there are plenty of great places to eat, and if it's hot, be sure to grab some shave ice. Mahalo for watching, and stick around to see the rest of my afternoon at Haleiwa and some additional drone footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more episodes as I continue visiting every beach in Hawaii. See you next time.